going to sing the chorus, sort of, and then I'll play the solo, and then I'll break it down for you. Okay, so here we go. Will you be the lighthouse? Will you be the lighthouse? Will you be the lighthouse for my soul? Could you be the guiding light? Tell me everything's alright. Could you be the one that I love so? Something like that, okay? So let's try and explain it to you. Right, so after you come out of the chorus, it starts off with this little hammer on the 5th string, the A string, from 2 to 4, then the open A string, and then the A chord. So, got that? Then we go this bit. So it's a build up, open A, 2nd on the A string, 4th on the A string, D string twice, and then the D chord. So it's from the beginning so far. So it comes da 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 da. Okay, that's so far. Then we can do this bit, and that's an open D, 2nd on the 4th, 4th on the 4th, open D again, and then the 2nd on the 4th, playing the A chord. Right? So far. Then the next bit, again that's open A, 2nd on the A string, 4th on the A string, open A string, then an E chord, 2nd on the 5th chord. So it's from the beginning. Next bit, that's an open bottom E string to the 2nd fret on the bottom E, back to the open bottom E, and then the A string open chord, A chord, right? Right, and then we do this bit, that's an open A string, 4th on the A string, open A string, D chord, D note, sorry, open D string, and then the D chord. So, right from the beginning, we'll stop there and we'll go right from the beginning again. As far as we got, okay. Next bit, that's that open D, 2nd on the 4th, 4th on the 4th, open D, A chord, 2nd on the 4th and A chord. So it's, and then what we do, just a quick 2nd on the 4th, A chord, then we go 4th on the 5th string. So then we play the 2nd on the 5th string with the E chord. So we got chord, finally, fourth on the bottom E, open A string, A chord. So very, very slowly all the way through. Okay, hopefully I get this right. Here we go. Even slower. I hope that makes sense to you. Okay, thanks very much for watching and listening to that. Hopefully I'll see you soon. Bye for now.